Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Friday morning, October 16th. I'm preparing for work. And I'm also excited because today I go for my retie. And I'm really excited about it. I always get excited about my reties because then I know that I'm going to see less frizz. My roots are going to be tightened. And I'm just going to love it. I love it. I love really the beginning of my reties, and then I love like the week before I get another retie. I'm going to take this time this morning to say thank you to my new subscribers. I don't know what the number is right now, but I know that I am close to 450, and just so excited. I'm just so excited and grateful to you all for your support. As I go through this video, you're going to see a transformation. This morning I have used, I'm just going to hold up two of my products that I've used on my face this morning. I've already washed and moisturized my face. And I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about whatever comes up. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to talk to you about it. You may see a transformation, but you may not see the transformation as it happens. Or I have used a few of my favorite things. And if you haven't seen my favorite things videos, then I will place a link to it above, and you can look at that, where I shared a few of my favorite things. I'm looking forward to my retightening today. It won't be with Flo, but it will be with Kim. I'm looking forward to her letting me know if she sees any difference in my hair from the last time, whether or not I am doing what I should be doing. I have noticed, and I'll show you that later on, if I can find that lock where I think, but I'm not sure, that there's some bunching. Here is that lock that I don't know if this is just a part of the locking process right in this spot. May look like nothing to some of you because you may be sure, but I'm just thinking, as I have been braiding and banding. Now this time I put more braids in my hair when I braided and banded yesterday for my shampoo, but that I've been using these big plaits in my hair, and I may not have been getting this one caught in enough. But I will find out today whether that is the beginning of some bunching or just a part of the lock process. And if it's a part of the lock process, then I am really, really happy. I have a little rubber band. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a rubber band on this lock, because this is the lock that causes me some concern. And so then today, when I am with Kim, this is the lock that I know I will ask her about, because it'll have a rubber band on it. And even if I forget, she should see that rubber band on my lock. That's my way of marking my concern. I want you to know that every time you hear me speak, that I've done a little bit more to my face. And I'm hoping that you can see this transformation and notice that what I look like right this moment is not like what I looked up like right after I cleanse and moisturize my face. And so this is a different kind of video for me. I'm showing you the transition of my face, my cleanse and moisturize my face, to when I am finished and ready for work. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my hair down. I braided and banded my hair yesterday morning, and then last night I put them in more Bantu knots probably than I've ever put them in. I'm just gonna dampen my hand a little bit as I take these down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, about 13 Bantu knots in my hair. And I didn't put any water on my hair when I Bantu knotted last night. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take these down. And this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family. I love my subscribers. I love my followers. And I especially love God because He's so good to me. His mercies are new every morning. I want you to have a wonderful, blessed day.